starting. This is IJ Thomas here. I have given in the earlier video about how to write an intro and body paragraph 1 for a positive or negative development essay. Now I am going to share with you what do you do next in the paragraph 2, body paragraph 2. So once you come to this point, you have read it twice, you have planned it, you should now start thinking of. Remember, you have to write at least 250 words. One good way to extend your essay and get a 7 band is to think of the opposite view. So
Yeah.
there you have to think about while it cannot be denied. Use this statement to start. Why do some people think that it could be a negative view? Due to similarity in lifestyles, traditional cultures can be eliminated. Do you agree to that? Traditional
Yes,
cultures.
yes.
Yeah, definitely. Yes.
Yes. So you just make a, you just have, remember you have said this is a positive development. So you shouldn't emphasize on the negativity. So once you think of one negative issue, you can think of how this can be eliminated, overcome by technology itself. However, so this is another linker. However, the same technology today has enabled many languages to be easily understood through translation applications. Like, give me an example of what can translate.
Google
Google
Translator.
Translator.
Like Google Translate. So see, this is how you bring a real example. Now what is one benefit of this? Due to this, people can of one culture can better communicate with those. Remember, I'm using referencing language, those. I'm not saying with people of another culture, with those of another culture. Then you'll bring another linker. Additionally, now you think of other linkers to bring the next point. Next peel should come in. So remember the next peel. So once you have this is as an overcoming statement, let me teach this again. Remember, you have to write 250 words plus. So maybe you don't have enough points. So think of why do people think it is a negative issue? Why do people think having a similar lifestyle due to technology is bad? So you think of a statement like while it cannot be denied, then think about due to similarity in lifestyle. See, remember you have to check similarity in lifestyles. Traditional cultures can be eliminated. But remember, you have said it is a positive development. So even though there is a negative issue there, you have to overcome
So,
that
Mhm.
yes,
by saying how the same technology has enabled. In this case, I have used the same technology today has enabled many languages to be easily understood through translation applications like Google
trans
Translate. See, this is from your life example. They ask you, give examples to support your view.
Okay.
Then you should begin with your what is the benefit of this? One small sentence I added. Due to this, people of one culture can better communicate it with those of another. See, I can remove this culture also. In IELTS, do your best not to repeat the same word in the same sentence or the next ones, those of another. Now I'm going to bring a linker and I'll start again. I'll bring one more point to continue my peel, right? Moreover, this is my linker. Moreover, now remember we have
work
these
from home.
yes, work from home. Moreover, today work from home is a global phenomena due to the,
Pandemic.
yeah, you can say pandemic. That
Yes.
is okay. But if you add a collocation, you can say a prevailing pandemic. Prevailing
Uh,
means that is ongoing. And
yes,
remember,
yes.
please check your spellings.
PRE.
Prevailing. So
Yes.
this is a collocation. Collocations are words that come together
Together.
and
Yes.
they are frequently found together. And these kind of word families they are called give give higher scores. For example, prevailing pandemic, global phenomena, these are easily understood. These are all collocations. Positive outcome, web series,
Yes.
uh, professional and personal interactions, internet banking, these are all collocations, words
Oh,
that keep coming together. When such words are there all over your essay, your score increases.
okay.
From is global due to prevailing, and this is enabled by technology. Remember, after you say this, you should give an example. For instance, you've already used for example before. You can use for
Yes.
instance.
Hi, sir.
Zoom.
Sir, any other synonym for enable because we use
We use
word.
Yes. I
enabled
put this in
is
my
that's
mind.
a good point. If you have another synonym for enabled is powered, you can use fuel, you can use powered is a good word, right? This is powered, enabled, made possible.
Yeah, yeah.
You can use made possible. Which one would you like to choose, Vishal?
Made possible. I
Okay,
think.
Yes.
made possible seems, yeah, I also agree. It seems a little more formal and refined. This is made possible. For instance, today, many industries work globally, even when there is a lockdown happening,
Around the.
when there is a lockdown happening around the world,
Yes.
since computing devices help all employees coordinate better on video conferencing. You can use Zoom, but actually Zoom conferencing video Google Translate doesn't give you scores because it is a plural, a capital word, proper nouns. But you can
Yeah.
use later on video conferencing software. And then you can close this with a simple sentence. This has this has this common way of work has protected. See, bring a simple sentence and finish it. Many livelihoods. Livelihoods ka meaning. What is the meaning of livelihoods?
Active or something.
Yes, the way source of income.
Yes.
Yeah, the way of, because everybody is doing work from home, we can all carry on with our business. Remember, the question is not the advantages of science and technology. The question is the lifestyle of people everywhere has become similar.
Similar.
Because it is similar, is this positive or negative? That is the question. Now that you have finished writing your body paragraph 2, it's a good idea to count your words in your computer based test. There will be an automatic spell check. If you're using paper based tests, you will have to see how you're writing. Usually, there are 36 lines in the ILTS writing sheet. If you time yourself to write 7 words a line, that will be nice. You can have a word limit, but remember, you can take an extra supplement sheet.
Yes.
Plan ahead. As you reach half, you will know you're going to need another supplement. Call the person and they will stand by your side. You will have to take out some time to fill in those details of your passport number, your student ID, and things like that. but you will have to take a few minutes doing that. So that's why
Uh,
I'm saying, yeah.
Sir, we can mention these points and everything on below the question
Yes, you can write on the question paper.
question paper.
Computer-based
Yes.
test, if you're going for a computer-based test, they will provide you stationery. During times of pandemic, you will have to take your own stationery and go. But they will give you a paper to write, and then you put it in a cover so that they can dispose it safely, right?
Okay.
In
No,
conc
but in our supplementary that in answer sheet we can write these points.
no,
For
no, no, no,
example,
no, no,
no,
no.
no. In
In
question paper we can do
in
anything. Yes.
yeah, rough work and
Okay.
all in your question paper.
Yes.
In the answer sheet, please don't write anything apart
Okay.
from your answer. Keep it
Okay.
clean. Use a pencil. That is why we say use a pencil.
Yes.
Use a pencil. Have a nice eraser. I recommend a dust-free eraser so that it looks clean. Use a click pencil.
Yes.
There are some good brands which I can suggest, and you can connect to me, later, or through the contact details given below. Use these kind of brands which act like a pencil. These are not your lead pencil, but they are new pencils coming in which are right nice and neat. You'll need to maybe take 4 or 5 pencils, so that you don't stop writing to
Yes.
sharpen and all that. So these are some practical tips. But coming back to our essay, you need to write your conclusion and the end. It's very important. You have
Yes.
to have a conclusion for your task 2. Conclusions are not needed for task 1. So again, your conclusion should recapitulate whatever is told earlier,
Yes.
and please don't bring any new information here. So in conclusion, it is your opinion, so you can say, I believe that a common lifestyle globally enabled. Okay, again, enabled is coming, so we can say empowered, yeah, powered, or you can just say due to common scientific and computing developments is a positive development since it helps people interact better and gain or interact better and help in better economic growth. Okay, again read it. I believe that a common lifestyle globally due to scientific. Remember, you have to check. And when you're typing, you don't seem to see these mistakes. But when you read, similarly with writing, when you read, you'll notice these mistakes. In conclusion, I believe that a common lifestyle globally doesn't seem to read well. So I'm cutting. You can use your eraser there. A common global lifestyle or a similar global lifestyle due to scientific and computing developments is a positive development. Okay, see, development is coming, is a positive outcome. You can replace a word. You see how to use lexical resources improve when you don't repeat words, since it helps people interact better. And you see, help is coming, and improves economic growth. So once you have written this simple essay, read the whole essay. Hopefully you are writing your essays with practice in 30 to 35 minutes and 5 minutes to practice, to check. The more you check, I have seen that checking will improve your scores by zero point 0.5. But often people, because of the time pressure, they cannot finish an essay, and all the errors pull their scores down. Then you please note again, undoubtedly, scientific is unable to become very similar in their approach to life. I believe this is a beneficial trend because it enables. See, here there is enabled and here there is enables, right? Since it
Yes, sir.
causes
he-
the human race to progress collectively. One positive. Then you're talking about one positive outcome of. One positive outcome of having is that remember to use peel. Don't put peel here. I just put
yes,
this
yes.
to show you how that principle works. Is that people can communicate with each other better. For example, use an example. Remember, don't just write one point after the other. Give a point, give an example, explain to it thoroughly. For example, because of web series and documentaries enabled by global internet, see there's an error here, internet access, people can understand English better over wider. Due to this, see people and people are is repeating. So you can say uh,
Citizens.
more,
Citizen.
yeah, you can say citizens, you can say or
Common.
you can just remove this communication due to this more people, or I can change this enabled individuals. I can make this individuals. Use your eraser and remove that point. Due to this, more people can communicate, which makes professional and personal interactions better. Furthermore, interning by technology can help people transact easier, whether they are in India, America, or anywhere in the world. This means that citizens can do more efficient work uh, by visiting. See, it's not with visiting, it should be by visiting
By
bank
visiting.
branches wherever they are. Then you bring in while it cannot be denied statement to talk about the negativity, but overcome it with a positive since you are going to say this is a totally positive statement. While it cannot be denied due to similarity in styles, traditional conventions can be eliminated. However, the same technology today has enabled many languages to be understood easily understood through translation applications like Google Translate. Due to this, people of one culture can better communicate with those of another. Remember, then you'll bring your linker, which is a moreover, and you are talking about today work from home is a global phenomena due to the prevailing pandemic, and this. See, during the prevailing pandemic, wherever you're taking a pause, you have to put an, and this is made possible. Okay, maybe you don't need a comma there. For instance, today many industries work global. See, I made an error there. You have to fix it globally. Even when there is a lockdown, there is lockdowns. So there are lockdowns. It will become because this is a global phenomena and it happens in different moments of time. There are lockdowns happening around the world since computing device. Whenever since comes, you may need a comma before it since computing design hall and coordinate better on video conferencing software. This common way of work has protected many livelihoods. See, use a simple sentence. IELTS believes in having a wide range of structures. Use simple and complex sentences. In conclusion, I believe that a similar global lifestyle due to you should have maybe a comma. Excuse me. Due to remember the question is again a similar global lifestyle due to scientific and is a positive outcome since it helps people to interact better and improves economic growth. I hope you have seen how this system works.
Yes,
You
sir.
will get an easy 7 plus
Yes, sir.
with such an essay. So this is IJ Thomas and I am open for questions now.